Welcome. Today, we're diving into Tesla's innovative No Stalk shifting system, standard on models like the Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y, and Cybertruck. This system replaces the traditional gear lever with a minimalist column-mounted electronic shifter, seamlessly integrated with the touchscreen and autopilot. We'll show you how to confidently drive, reverse, park, and use the auto shift feature. Tesla's no-stalk shifter uses a rotary encoder on the steering column, providing tactile feedback without mechanical linkages. To engage drive mode, push the shifter up. The vehicle accelerates automatically in autopilot or manual mode. For reverse, pull the shifter back once or twice on some models. You'll hear a chime and see a visual indicator to confirm engagement. To engage park, push down on the shifter. The system also automatically engages park when the vehicle is stationary for over 30 seconds or if the driver's door opens. To engage neutral on a Tesla vehicle, move the shifter lever to the center position. This positions the transmission in neutral gear. Neutral is primarily used when towing the vehicle or in situations that require manual control of the transmission. Due to Tesla's auto shift feature, which automatically manages gear changes, neutral is rarely needed during normal daily driving. Tesla's auto shift is enabled by default and intelligently shifts between drive, reverse, and park based on your vehicle's speed, brake pedal input, and steering wheel position. This system reduces driver effort by automatically handling gear changes. It integrates seamlessly with regenerative braking for efficient energy recovery, converting kinetic energy back into battery power. For safety, the system uses redundant sensors like wheel speed and brake pressure to prevent any erroneous or accidental shifts. This makes driving more convenient and secure. According to recent surveys, 92% of Tesla owners prefer this auto shift feature over manual shifting, highlighting its popularity and effectiveness. To safely reverse, first ensure your surroundings are clear by checking for obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Pull the no-stalk shifter back to engage reverse mode. Double-check the rearview camera and mirrors to confirm the path behind you is clear. Use the accelerator pedal gently for controlled backward movement. Listen for the chime that confirms the system is engaged into reverse. To begin driving, push the no-stalk shifter upwards to engage drive mode. This activates forward motion and prepares the vehicle for acceleration. Once in drive, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward. The vehicle will respond smoothly to your input. In autopilot mode, the vehicle automatically manages acceleration and braking based on traffic and road conditions, making driving more relaxed. Always monitor your speed and surroundings, adjusting as needed while using Tesla's driver assistance features. Auto shift mode will automatically transition from park to drive when ready. When you're ready to park, come to a complete stop. Push down on the no-stalk shifter to engage park. The system also automatically engages park when stationary for 30 seconds or when the driver's door is opened. Always check the gear indicator to ensure park is fully engaged before exiting the vehicle. The parking brake will also engage to prevent rolling. Some users experience initial confusion with the no-stalk shifter, but most adapt within a week of regular use. If the shifter becomes unresponsive, perform a soft reset by pressing and holding both steering wheel buttons simultaneously until the system restarts. In extremely cold weather, occasional software glitches may affect responsiveness. Allow extra time for the system to initialize properly. Tesla provides regular software updates that enhance shifter performance and address potential issues automatically. For more serious questions or persistent problems, consider contacting Tesla support or consulting a qualified expert.